Do you suffer from or treat patients with so-called chronic medical conditions and have lost hope that these medical conditions will never be reversed? If that sounds like you, you've come to the right video. Hi, I'm Dr. Hampton, and as you know, I'm on a mission to help you achieve metabolic health. And today I have the pleasure of bringing Jayne Bullen to the channel. And Jayne is the Chief Operating Officer of the Noakes Foundation and the CEO of the Nutrition Network. And just in case you didn't get the memo, the Nutrition Network is an online learning platform founded by the Noakes Foundation, focused on sharing what I love, which is low carb, high fat, and a ketogenic lifestyle. And, I really appreciate that because so many people are not aware of the healing benefits. So Jayne, I'm so happy you came. And you know what? A lot of people are losing hope. They're losing hope that they can't reverse those so-called chronic medical conditions. So share what you believe is the hope that they should finally receive.
Thanks so much for having me, Tony. It's amazing to be here and to connect with you and your incredible audience. And I think that the reason that we talk, or I talk about hope a lot, is because what I've seen is people who have lost hope throughout my life, in the form of actually people who have given up on the hope that they have, that they're going to find health. I lost hope. A lot of people I know and love lost hope. Many of them died and never found that hope. They lost their lives. And then I've seen throughout the years since then, since I've worked in this area, medical professionals who have lost hope. And that's really the saddest thing. I've seen doctors and physicians and dietitians who have given up on the reason that they went into medicine, which was to help people to get better and to work with health. So what I believe we do in this category and in the ketogenic or the low carb world is we give people their hope back. And we give them a chance at another life, a different way of living, which is connected to health instead of illness. So that's the work we do. That's why I do it. That's why I'm here.
I love it. And you're right. I think when I think about my clinical practice, I honestly was just a guy who followed that simple approach: diagnose the medical condition, give the right medicine or the right procedure, right surgery. And that was pretty much it. But it was rare that people got off medicines. It was rare that people felt like they were restored. So when I learned about low carb and keto, it was a gift because all of a sudden, patients were losing weight. All of a sudden, patients were getting off medicines. And in 19 years of clinical practice prior to adopting this low carb approach, hardly anybody got off medicines, maybe a couple of people. And I really do that now almost every day, every other day, a few times a week. Rarely did their kidney function get better. It happens all the time. And so for me, as a clinician, it's been a gift. That's why I appreciate the work you're doing. I'm now a healer. I'm able to help people heal, and I really appreciate that. So thank you for kind of giving my audience a taste, just a little taste of what we're going to talk about during podcast episode number 142, where you're going to join me and we're going to talk more about the various ways that people can heal. So if you want to hear more for Jayne, make sure to check out that episode. I'll make sure to have a link in the notes. And until the next video, continue to be safe, be well, and continue to protect your nest.